Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta salad at home for weight loss. First, choose whole wheat or legume-based pasta for increased fiber and nutrients. Remember to measure your pasta accurately to manage portion sizes effectively. Cooking your pasta al dente also helps keep its glycemic index lower, which is beneficial for weight management. Next, boost your salad's nutritional value and volume with plenty of vegetables. Aim for a colorful mix of non-starchy options such as bell peppers, cucumbers, and cherry tomatoes. Chop them into uniform, bite-sized pieces for easy eating and even flavor distribution. Don't forget to include some leafy greens for extra vitamins and minerals. Now, let's add some lean protein and healthy fats to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Options like grilled chicken, canned tuna, or chickpeas are excellent protein choices. For healthy fats, consider diced avocado or a light dressing made with extra virgin olive oil. Steer clear of heavy, creamy dressings that can quickly add unnecessary calories. Finally, create a light and flavorful dressing to tie everything together without adding excess calories. A simple vinaigrette with apple cider vinegar, a small amount of olive oil, and fresh herbs works wonderfully. Season generously with your favorite spices for a delicious, satisfying meal. Remember to check the description for the Owala water bottle link and other great deals to help you stay healthy and hydrated. Enjoy your delicious, weight loss-friendly pasta salad.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.